Now, once we enter the dashboard, or we've locally significantly configured it, right? We've put in our IP address. The AP now has connectivity out into our environment. We'll now be able to access this device through what? Through our dashboard. We have to register the device first, but let's take a look at the dashboard in our environment. So here is the dashboard login. You can see it says account meraki.com or meraki.com. This is how you would connect to it. You would put in your particular login. For me, it's Russell J. Long at live.com. And then I believe that's my password. No, maybe this is my password. Oh, interesting. That's got to be my password then. So you can see now that we have a list of all the APs associated with my Meraki network. If I wanted to add more Merakis to this device, which I would in this environment, I would look at monitor, wireless, and then access points to go ahead and look at the different access points and actually add an AP to our environment. So if I had an AP, I could claim a particular inventory number or access point in our environment and then add it to our network. Now, is that all I have available from that? No, I have wireless organization and help also available. So if I looked at wireless, again, that's where I would see the APs, maps, floor plans, air marshal, location, heat map, all stuff we're going to go through. Network wide, I could do monitor and configuration. I could do a general configuration of my network. We can look at our network name, our traffic analysis. I can even do some changes to my organization, an overview of the organization as a whole, where we're located, change logs, login attempts. I can configure different settings in this environment, password expiration, use passwords. Again, that's for the organization as a whole. Network-wide, my configuration would look a little different. Generally, our network name, network admins, our traffic analysis, our CMX. So lots of different options here for management, and they are organized into network-wide, wireless, and organizations. So wireless allows me to do SSIDs, a splash page, or PCI report, access control, firewall trafficking, radio settings, and even SSID availability. If I clicked on SSID here, I'm looking at the different SSIDs available. You can see I can have up to 4. Right now we have 2. We have our Wi-Fi MD34 and MD34G. We have unconfigured options here. I can enable or disable and then start to edit the settings, rename it, create it with radius or without radius, our settings, our encryption. So much like we would set wireless LANs in our centralized environment, and much like we did, we could define those same settings here through cloud infrastructure. All right, so one of the cool things about this can work, our cloud-based equipment here can work with Cisco's prime infrastructure. Starting at 2.2, they added the ability to work with our Meraki products. Now, this is Meraki switches. These are Meraki APs. These are the Meraki security appliance. So all the cloud-based infrastructure is allowable. We have to enable SNMP, and we have to use the gateway for that Meraki controller. All right. So this will allow a mesh of our environment and allow us to monitor via that prime infrastructure, monitor our Meraki deployments.